In this scenario, I want to insert a variables module in here, and I want it to be before this filter. So if I just get myself a set multiple variables module here, okay, so I'm going to insert that there. Now you'll notice the problem now, if I align this, is that the filter has gone to the right of the module. That's not what I want, okay? So let's just delete that one, and we're going to try this again. Get my multiple variables module here. Now what I'm going to do, before I insert it into this branch, I'm going to right click, add a module. Now you can see that the filter has stayed attached to the router, and it's on the right of this new module here. And I just drag that in there. So if you have a module already that you want to insert on the right of a filter, use right click, add a module, and that gives you a connection where you can just drop your existing module into. Obviously, if you're going to select a module from the menu anyway, then you just right click, add a module, and then you search for the module that you want. So I'm working in this scenario, and I have a filter here off this router, but I actually decided that I want to put this filter before this router. Okay, so I've done a little bit of rejigging of my scenario, added this router in here, and this filter is going to apply to both these branches. So I want to move it in front of this router. So how do I do that? Well, this is a fairly simple filter, so you could of course just rebuild it there. But if you had a more complex filter, that would be a bit of a headache. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this branch and add a module. This filter is now associated with this empty module here. I'm going to unlink that, and I'll reconnect this that now no longer has the filter. And if I unlink this here, I can join that onto the router. Yeah. So now if I delete this empty module, you can see the filter is now moved there. It's exactly the same. And since this is only small, it's no problem to unlink and relink that. So when I order this now, you can see that that is going to work as I anticipated. So the filter is now in front of that router.